Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. In today's video, we are going to start lesson number 10, sound. So at the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify the different types of sounds. You will be able to describe the sounds we make, differentiate between pleasant and unpleasant sounds, and you will be able to identify some animal sounds and sounds in nature. So let's start our lesson. So here one activity is given. Let's see what is this. Take a shoe box without the cover and wrap rubber bands around it. Here I have taken one box without the cover and wrapped with the rubber band. Now pluck the rubber bands back and forth. Look at the movement of the bands. See, when we touch it back and forth, what happens? What happened to this? It makes sound. Look at the movement of the bands. Do you hear anything? When we touch it front and back, what happens? It creates some sound in that. Okay? Where do you think the sound is emerging from? When you pluck the rubber bands, they vibrate and produce sound. When you pluck this rubber band, it vibrates and it creates sound. Okay? Sound is produced by vibrating bodies. So what does it prove? This activity proves that sound is produced by vibrating bodies. When we are plucking this rubber band, okay, when we are moving this, so sound is producing because of vibration. Because of vibration, here sound is producing. So actually, what is sound? Let's see in our lesson. The roar of a lion, the buzz of a bee, the chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves, the slamming of the door, the pitter-patter of rain. All these are sounds. See, when the lion roars, we get a sound. When a bee buzzes, by seeing a buzzing bee, you can hear its sound, buzzing sound. The chirping of birds, means singing of birds. Rustle of leaves, because of air when the leaves blow here and there, it creates rustle sound. Okay. Then slamming of the door, when we open and close the door, the voice produced. The pitter patter of rain, means water drops sound. These all are types of sound. So can we see sound? No, we cannot see. We can just hear it. We can hear and feel a sound, different types of sounds we can hear, we can feel, but we cannot see it. What does a baby do when he or she is hungry? What does a baby do? He cries. We cannot see a sound, but we can hear different sounds every day. We make sounds when we talk. So, okay, for talking also we need to produce sound. We communicate with each other by talking. People all over the world talk in various languages. All these languages are made up of different sounds. We make all types of sounds with our voice box. The voice box is the structure at the top of the windpipe that contains the vocal cords. Our voice box has vocal cords which vibrate means which moves when we speak or sing or whatever sound we make. Okay, so here you can see in this diagram vocal cord. So we make all our sounds with our voice box. Where is the voice box? It is the structure at the top of the windpipe. At the top of the windpipe is the structure this voice box is that contains the vocal cords. So it contains vocal cords. Our voice box has vocal cords. So our voice box has this vocal cords which vibrate, means which move when we speak. So because of that the sound produced. So now we will see different types of sounds we make. We make different sounds when we talk, when we laugh, when we shout or cry or cough or sneeze. So these sounds are produced by the human beings, but they are different. When we talk, different sound produces. When we laugh, it will be different. When we shout, when we cry, cough or sneeze, we produce different sounds. We make sounds when we sneeze, we cough, we touch a hot object, we laugh out loud, we shout, and when we cry out of pain or fear. So different voices we get. Here in these pictures you can see, when we touch a hot object, immediately we shout like ah, and we remove our hand. So here, like she's shouting, coughing, laughing and crying. So different sounds produce how we make sounds. Can we also make sounds without using our voice box? See the pictures given below. So without making sound from our throat or from our voice box, without using our voice box also, we can produce sounds. How can we producing sounds without using voice box? Here are the pictures. When we are knocking the door, we are knocking by our fingers on the door, so sound creates. Here she is grinding something in the jar, so because of that also sound produced. Here drum beating picture, you can see this boy is beating the drum, so sound is producing. He is not making sound by the voice box, but the sound is producing from this drum. Here what this boy is doing, so this boy is playing with the stones. He is beating stone on stone, that's why sound is producing. Okay, so these are the sounds, different types of sounds which we make. Okay, here in this activity it's saying that put your hand on your throat, say good morning. Can you feel your vocal cords move? Yes, if we keep our hand on throat and we try to talk something, so we feel vibration. The people who cannot hear or speak, or they cannot communicate, so actually they communicate by sign languages by using their hands, gestures or actions. Okay, so now we will see the pleasant sounds means which by hearing which we feel good. Okay, the sounds that we make may be pleasant or unpleasant. Okay, pleasant sounds are those which are soft, which we enjoy. We enjoy hearing pleasant sounds such as the sounds made by musical instruments and chirping sounds made by birds. So these are pleasant sounds which by hearing which we feel good. So these are pleasant sounds which we enjoy. So it can be chirping of bird sounds or musical instrument sounds it can be. So these are pleasant sounds. Musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, flute and guitar produce pleasant sounds. Here you can see some musical instruments. Tabla, this is harmonium, flute and guitar. It makes the sounds which are pleasant, which gives pleasant sound. Unpleasant sound, which we don't want to hear or which we doesn't like. Sounds can be soft or loud. Some loud sounds can be very unpleasant, like cracker sounds, right? Loud sounds are disturbing and can be bad for our health. Loud sounds are not good for our ears. It can damage our ear parts. What happens when you and all your classmates starts talking together? What does your teacher ask you to do? She tells you not to make noise, because when you all people are shouting, it creates unpleasant sounds, irritating sounds it creates. Loud sound is called noise. Loud sound is called noise. Noise hurts the ears. Noise will be unpleasant to the ears. Okay. Always talk softly. Do not shout. Remember, talk softly. Don't shout, because it will be unpleasant for others. See the given pictures. For each picture, write S for soft sound and L for loud sound. Also in the second box, write P for pleasant sound and U for unpleasant sound. Okay, so let's do this activity. Here baby is here when this woman is carrying the baby and she is making her laugh. So this is soft sound. Okay, and it is pleasant. Laughing sound is soft and pleasant. So here one machine is there in the sawmill. Mostly this machine will be there for cutting the wood. So this sound will be very loud. First of all, it will be loud. We'll write L, and it will be unpleasant. Okay. Next picture. They are listening music. They are listening music, the students. So this is soft and pleasant voice. Here, chirping of birds, soft and pleasant voice. Here, he is beating something with the hammer. It is a loud sound but unpleasant. Okay. Here, some heavy machine is going on, or generator or something it is. So it is loud voice and unpleasant. Okay. So sound needs a material medium such as air, water, glass or metal to travel through. So sound, how do we get the sound? It needs some medium. So through the medium like air, water or glass or metal, it helps to travel the sound. So because of this medium we get the sound. Okay children, that's it for today's video. In the next video we'll continue this lesson with the sounds which animal make and then sounds from the nature. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.